When the thermostat calls for cooling, it sends a signal that tells the control board to power the blower so cool air moves through the ducts. A typical control board uses a simple logic path. When 24-volt power appears at the cooling call terminal labeled Y, the board senses that input and completes a circuit to the fan relay or to the G terminal output so the blower motor receives power. Many modern systems use a relay or a contactor driven by the board that isolates the low voltage control from the high voltage blower circuit, and that relay contact closes to energize the blower motor. Some boards are configured to energize the blower continuously when any mode is requested, while others delay the fan to allow the compressor to stabilize first. This is controlled by an internal timer or software delay on the board. When troubleshooting, measure 24 volts between R and Y to confirm the cooling call, then measure 24 volts between R and G to see if the board is commanding the blower. If you do not see the expected voltage at G, but Y has voltage, the issue is likely on the control board or its firmware settings rather than the thermostat. Always shut off power before changing wiring and follow the specific wiring diagram for the system because manufacturers vary connections and logic behavior. Common mistakes include assuming that the thermostat must always directly power the G terminal when the cooling call is present, which is not true for boards that internally link Y to G. Check the schematic to confirm how your board handles fan control. Another frequent issue is misreading voltages by measuring with the power on but without a proper reference, which can produce false readings. Always measure between R and the target terminal and confirm system common. A third concern is ignoring fan delay or minimum run timers built into the control board, leading people to think the blower is slow to start or not starting. Consult the board settings and adjust delay timers per the manufacturer instructions. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to home systems and repairs. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share wiring tips, troubleshooting experiences, and practical advice.